Hey everyone and welcome to Saw Auto and Unboxing YouTube channel. Today I will unbox for you this new Huawei Nova 10 SE, that came out in November 2022. The Huawei Nova 10 is a mid-range Android smartphone, but its packaging is similar to that of a premium device. The box it arrives in is large, good-looking, and made of high-quality cardboard. On the top cover, you get to see the name of the smartphone and a small invitation to Huawei's App Gallery store. The other sides are mostly void of any details, but there is a sticker on a smaller lateral that tells you the main specs of the smartphone you bought. Inside the box, you'll find the Huawei Nova 10, a fast 66 watts charger, a USB Type-A to Type-C cable, a soft transparent case, an eject tool for the SIM tray, the quick start guide, and the warranty documents, and the phone screen comes with a protective film already applied. The hardware of the Huawei Nova 10 classifies it as a mid-ranger. Under the hood, the smartphone relies on a Qualcomm SM7325 Snapdragon 778G 4G, 6nm chipset with an octa-core 4x2.4 GHz Cryo 670 and 4x1.8 GHz Cryo 670 processor and an Adreno 642L graphics processing unit. Regarding memory and storage, the Huawei Nova 10 is equipped with 8GB of RAM and can have 256 or 128 GB of internal flash storage space. Unfortunately, there is no micro SD card slot on the phone to extend the storage, so choose the storage capacity carefully when you buy it. The display is based on an OLED panel that can display over 1 billion colors at a maximum refresh rate of 120 Hz. It has a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, a diagonal length of 6.67 inches, and a pixel density of about 395 pixels per inch (ppi). Furthermore, it also supports HDR10. I hope you will enjoy watching this unboxing video, and if you want to see more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I hope you will return for more unboxing videos. Have a great day. Bye.